welcome to my channel. Today's DIY video is a fluffy, colorful, cozy pom-pom rug that's amazingly easy to make, and there is more than one way to use these, which I'll share with you at the end of the video. If you're new here, then consider subscribing and select the bell button next to the subscription button while you're there for notifications when I post new videos. Now let's go over the things you'll need for this project. I also placed in the video's description the list of materials and items along with the product referral links to those items. Okay, here is what you'll need to gather. Medium weight yarn in colors of your choice. How much yarn will depend on the size of the rug that you want to make. A latch hook rug canvas, or some have used a non-slip rug pad instead. Pom-pom makers, you can use different sizes or a single size for all the pom-poms, it's up to you. Scissors, I found a small, good, sharp pair to be the best. A rug hook latch, a yarn sewing needle, and a wire or bristle brush to give the pom-poms a fluffier look. Measure and cut the rug canvas or non-slip pad to the size and shape you want. I wanted a circle rug, and this one measures 20 inches. Next, you'll need to make the pom-poms, lots and lots of them. Using a pom-pom maker like this one, open both curved arm ends and begin wrapping the yarn all the way around both sides. I like to wrap with 2 pieces of yarn for a fuller effect or result. When you're finished with the first side, close it and continue wrapping the yarn the same way around the other side. Next, cut off the end of the yarn and then cut 2 pieces of the same color for tying. Now cut all the way around the top of both sides of the pom-pom maker and tie it off or together with the 2 pieces you just cut. Open the arms back up, trim any uneven pieces, and remove the pom-pom. If you want fuller looking pom-poms, then brush the ends of the yarn, but not too hard that you're pulling out the pieces. Here are the 3 different sizes that I'm using. I made a few smaller size ones for around the edge, but these are the main 3. While I prefer the pom-pom makers I use in this tutorial because they produce, in my opinion, the best looking pom-poms and save time compared to other ways I've tried. That said, if you don't want to use the pom-pom makers like I did, here's another way to make them that I used to use. You'll need 2 toilet paper rolls, or you can cut a paper towel roll in half. If the 2 pieces are flimsy and easily collapse, stuff paper towels or newspaper in each roll to help keep its shape. Next, holding the rolls together by the length, place 2 pieces of yarn in the center between the rolls and begin to wrap the yarn around the 2 pieces about 90 times. When finished, cut the ends of the yarn you were wrapping with. Taking the ends of the 2 pieces placed earlier, tie a knot over the center of one side, then flip over and tie a second knot. Slide the yarn off the rolls, cut only the ends of the looped yarn, and then trim to shape the pom-pom. Use the latch hook tool or the yarn needle to thread the pom-pom tails through the holes of the rug canvas, then tie in a knot and cut the remaining tail off. Continue to fill your rug and arrange the pom-poms in random size and color order. Once you have finished, now go enjoy the cozy, fluffy masterpiece you just created. If you can't bear to place it on the floor, these are also great as seat cushions or hang up as a wall decor piece, adding interesting texture to your walls. So, what awesome things have you made with or using pom-poms? Let me know and tell me about it in the comments. Thanks everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please let me know by clicking the thumbs up button. And yeah, have an awesome day, and I'll see you next video. Alright, bye.